Gotta go and see that puddle.
It's not, only it might be a wet patch, but it's not puddle.
Hi Ed, I was thinking you're not next. No, we're running late. We are on the Norwich. Are you in the... You're not onto the 105? 105, well, I've only got 6 in the Discovery, so it shouldn't be too done.
Keen, aren't you, Ed?
Last week, no, last time.
It won't really...
To be the other way around, maybe. So.
Had a lot of people coming late on the clear round.
Yeah.
Such a good girl.
I got this.
And she's so young.
Yeah, I'm in.
She doesn't worry about no fence.